This looks like an interesting problem, so I spent a little bit of time on it. And what I wanted to do is get the, here's my starting position, and I want to follow the trace of this point through the part and the trace of this point through the part. Now I've set this up so that this piece stays horizontal, and so I'm going to go ahead and run this so that I can see the trace. So I'll play it. So I rotate it through 90 degrees, and this line ends up being a straight line, and this line is almost a straight line, and I think if I do a little bit of adjustment I can get this one to a straight line as well. So I kind of think I'm getting close on this setup. And then so once I get the traces, then I can define the slots for the pins that will go into these holes.